Hey folks, Kenny Brown here at MarineMax Panama City Beach. I am aboard the brand new 2022 Nauticstar 227 XTS. This is one of their awesome bay boats, 22 feet long. Look at this nice chair up here, this pedestal chair. This is great when you just want to hang out, for those that like to sit down and fish. But remember this folks, you can also pull this up. You can actually put it in the back if you want to, or if you want a day without that chair, just leave it at the house, okay? Notice all the casting platform, all the room. You can walk all the way around here and just fish. Next time I'll bring my fishing pole so I can show you. You've got plenty of storage compartments all throughout the boat. You've got two big, huge fish boxes here, okay? Nice cushion seat right here, folks, for that ride in, that ride back for your partner. This also, Dubs, is a huge forward live well. This boat has two. I'm gonna show you the other one here in a second. As we walk through the boat, here up to the helm area, notice the nice leaning post. This is an option. You got different type of leaning posts. This is one of their nicer ones. You got your rod holders here. You got your bolsters. Up here at the helm, you got your gauges. You got a glove box here, but look in here, folks. That's where your stereo is, all Bluetooth capable. You've got USB ports in there to charge your phone. I really like the C-Deck Nauticstar mat here at the helm. Provides that comfort for those long rides. And as we walk to the back of the boat, notice this huge aft casting platform. Look at all the room here. So when we're out fishing, my partner's up the front fishing, I'm back here fishing. But remember I told you about that second live well? Look at here, folks. Got your own live well here in the back, okay? As well as you have three aft jump seats. This beautiful, awesome, spacious rear casting platform. You got a couple of extra compartments here for storage. It's got a nice rear boarding ladder, so when you're at the island or at the sandbar, and it does come equipped with this Yamaha 200 4-stroke. And let me tell you, this 200 on this 22-foot boat will get you where you want to go fast. Notice the nice T-top. You got extra rod holders here, okay? So you got a nice spacious big T-top, keep you in the shade. But folks, this is an awesome bay boat. Comes with a stepped hull, very smooth riding hull design. I urge you to come check it out, okay? And my name is Kenny Brown. You can reach me directly at 850-596-8108. And remember, it's all about making memories on the water.